Hello students, today we are going to complete exercises and question answers of chapter 3 Social Studies India Physical and Political Divisions. Let's start. Tick the correct option. First, the earth has many wonderful places with different land forms. Yes, correct. Second, a delta is a large mass of land projecting into a body of water. False. A delta is a landform that is created at the mouth of a river. Mouth means a place where a river drains into a lake, sea, or an ocean. It is an area of low, flat land, sometimes shaped approximately like a triangle, where a major river divides into several smaller parts that usually flow into a larger body of water. Third, India has a small coastline. False, because India has a long coastline. It is spread on the western side along Arabian Sea and on the eastern side along Bay of Bengal. Fourth, India is the seventh largest country in the world. Correct. Fifth, in terms of area, Uttar Pradesh is the largest state of India. False, because Rajasthan is the largest state. Multiple choice questions. Take the correct answer. First, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. It is correct. Second, the shape of the southern plateau is triangular. It is correct. India has 6 physical divisions. Take on 6. These 6 divisions are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plains, the island regions. The largest state in India is Rajasthan. Tick it. Next, the smallest state in India is Goa. Fill in the blanks. First, the central government is headed by the Prime Minister. Second, India shares its boundaries with Pakistan in the west. Third, India is bounded by the great Himalayan ranges in the north. Fourth, the coastal plains stretch for about 6,000 kilometers of the mainland. Fifth, the Himalayas form a natural boundary between India and China. Match the columns. First, peninsula. Match with southern plateau. Second, Rajasthan. Match with largest state. Third, island. Match with water on all sides. Fourth, Assam. Match with Dispur. Dispur is capital of Assam. Fifth, Uttar Pradesh. Match with densely populated. Here you should know peninsula. It is known as Pradeep in Hindi, an area of land that is almost surrounded by water, that is from 3 sides. Any piece of land which is surrounded by water from all sides known as island. But if it is surrounded by 3 sides, then it is peninsula. Answer the following questions. First question is, name the neighboring countries of India. Answer is, the neighboring countries of India are Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Question number 2. Why do you think India was divided into states and union territories? Answer is, India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories because it is difficult for one central government to governing such a big country. Question 3. How many union territories are there in India? Name any 4. There are 8 union territories in India. They are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi, Lakshadweep, Puducherry and Ladakh. Write any 4 out of them. Question 4. Write a brief note on the northern plains of India. Answer is, the northern plains lie between the Himalayas and the southern peninsula. Many perennial rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Ravi and Satluj flow through the northern plains and make them the most fertile and densely populated regions in the world. A variety of crops like wheat, rice, cotton, and sugar cane are grown here. The rivers which flow through the northern plains have their origins in the Himalayas. They carry with them broken pieces of rocks, sand, and silt and deposit it along the river banks, which makes the land fertile. Question 5. What is an island? Name the 2 main island groups of India. Answer is, an island is a piece of land surrounding by water on all sides. 2 main island groups of India are, first, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal, second, the Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. Question number 6. Describe the Indian peninsula. Answer is, a peninsula is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on 3 sides. Indian peninsula has the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. It is triangular in shape and broad towards the north and narrows down as we go southwards. Thank you.